Hey guys, today I'm going to show you all how to change out batteries for your Generation 3 Pokemon games. Now if you're wondering whether or not your battery needs to be changed, first thing you're going to have to do is boot up the game, and if you're greeted with this message, it means your battery has run dry and you will need to replace it in order to have it function properly. The first thing you're going to want to do to replace your battery is to make sure you have all of your tools and materials assembled and ready. This includes a tri-wing screwdriver, some solder, and a soldering iron, and the replacement battery. For this battery replacement, you will need a CR1616. You may also want to protect your workspace with some cardboard as it may get a little messy. Make sure that you have preheated your soldering iron so that you can get right to work. First tool you'll be using is the tri-wing screwdriver. These can be purchased on Amazon, and I will include the link to the one I use in the description below. So with this tri-wing screwdriver, you will need to unscrew the case from the back. Next thing you will need to do is slide the faceplate down and remove the board from the enclosure. Make sure to put the screw in a safe place so that you don't lose it. You'll need it later. Then, with your preheated soldering iron, start touching the solder that is keeping the original battery in place. You're going to want to use small circular motions on the solder as to not put too much pressure on any singular point on the board. You don't want to accidentally burn right through the entire thing. Sometimes it's easy to have tweezers on hand to kind of help you lift up the battery as soon as it becomes free. Once the tab is free, gently bend it up so it is away from the other contact. Then, do the same to the other side until the battery comes off completely. Before we put on the new battery, I'm going to demonstrate how to clean the brass contacts on the bottom of the board. This is especially helpful if you were having issues with the cartridge being red when starting your Game Boy. For this, I would recommend a high percentage isopropyl alcohol and some Q-tips or cotton swabs to clean the contacts. Once that is done, we can apply the new battery. Make sure the polarity is correct, and place the battery so that both of the tabs are in position to touch the contacts on the board. In some cases, the leftover solder that's already on the board can be remelted and used to hold the tabs in place. That way, when you apply more solder to secure it, it will help the battery from moving unnecessarily. Once you've applied solder to both of the points, give it a little tug to see if it is secure. Everything looks good. Put the board back in the casing. Screw it shut. Just so it's snug. Now, to test if it's working, we will see if we are greeted with the same dead battery message we had earlier. And looks like it works. If you guys have any other questions regarding this process, leave a comment below, or you can come by my live streams at twitch.tv/Mablarka, where usually I'm shiny hunting with these cartridges, but occasionally I do some battery replacements on stream. I'll see you guys next time.